address Dato' Chang Puyut, MD President of Parti Berakang Malaysia, Saudara Teng Chang Yao, Secretary General of the party, all my respected Central Committee members who are here today, plus all my Central Youth Committees, all the parents who have decided to join their children in celebrating their success, and also without forgetting the media who are here with us tonight. Tonight is a special night because after 10 years of doing this, we decided let's do something a bit different. So when our immediate past chairman of the Alex Lee Excellence Award Committee passed the baton to me, I was thinking let's do an alumni so that we can gather all the past as well as immediate recipients for Alex Lee Education Award to come and join us to see. When we have a gathering, we will have many faces, both young and old. It was 10 years ago that we decided to commemorate the good works of Tan Sri Dato' Alex Lee after his death, that we decided to put aside a fund to award children of current members who have done an excellent job in both academic as well as character achievement. So this is what we are here today. Even though Alex Lee Excellence Award is about educational excellence, but we do not just make it an education issue, because in Gerakan we would like to see that our young children, our future of the party is also based on a whole person education. When I say whole person, means it's not only about education, but it's also about how we help to develop the character of younger generations. And when I think back about Alex Lee, Tan Sri Alex Lee, there are three things that come to me in mind. Number one is his character of accountability. The Tan Sri Alex Lee that I know since the 90s, mid-90s to the late 90s, was that he was a person who is accountable to every action that he takes. In Chinese, we call it Guang Ming Lui Lo. When I knew him as Kuala Lumpur Federal Territory Chairman for Parti Gerakan, he always tells us the principle that, look, if Parti Gerakan cannot stand up to its own principle of creating a fair and just society, how are we going to face our own children, our own members, as well as the rakyat that we represent? So to him, the principle of accountability is very important. The second character I would like to highlight to you is that he has always taken a personal approach, personal responsibility to every task that he has been given. In Chinese, we call it Qing Li Qing Wei. I remember during a time between 96 and 99, when he was helping our Batu constituency, everything that he does it himself. Sometimes he does it too much. For example, when there is a rayuan in terms of the rakyat, when they want help from his own constituency, he personally himself draft a letter, sign it and send it to DBKL. These are the personal responsibility traits that I believe the younger generation of today can learn from. And the third character traits of Tan Sri Alex Lee is his ability to pay attention to details, of which our younger generation today fails miserably. When he pays attention to detail, he actually goes into every single detail that goes on in his constituency, in his own ministry, as well as his own personal life. Why do I want to highlight these three characters? Like I said, Gerakan believes in whole person education. Yes, you may get 13, 14, 15, 16 A's. But if all these A's does not translate into a person or a younger generation that we can look up to, what kind of personal excellence are we talking about? Like I said, we would like to concentrate on character building, character education, apart from learning and as well as educational excellence. As you will see today also, Alex, we have made acronym out of it. It's Achievement, Learning, Excellence, and Extraordinary. We want all of this in our younger generation. That's why we highlight this. Of course, today all of you are here to not only get your award, but also to network with each other. I believe the next generation of younger career makers, younger professionals, is not only about how many A's you get, it's also about the people you meet. As they will say, 在家靠家人，在外靠朋友. So when you're at home, you rely on your parents, your siblings. But when you're outside, you have to rely on network. So please take this opportunity. You are the cream of the society. By knowing each other, you may never know, someday, somehow, it will help you in your profession and as well as your career. So tonight, I would like to wish the best for you in your future studies as well as career. I hope to be able to make you aware that it's very important not only to be excellent in education, but also to be a very responsible citizen. The younger ones, let's be aware of national development. Let's be able to form your own opinions when you read the media, when you talk to your friends, as well as when you blog or when you talk to each other. We need to have responsible citizens. It's no point if you listen to others and you also continue to spread the rumor that you hear. In this kind of time and country, especially when the Prime Minister is trying very hard to promote or push the agenda of Satu Malaysia, all of us have to be responsible citizens. And then lastly, as an afterthought observation, do you notice that tonight 70% of the recipients are female? What does this say about our younger generation? And this number is not only in Malaysia, it does not only happen in Malaysia. This is a global phenomenon. Of course, for me, as the youth chief, I will be very happy to see there are plenty of beautiful girls here. But it only tells us that equality, gender equality, has come of age. No more are the days when only the young and the male are going to university. Now we even have superior, more intelligent female coming to the fore and be able to perform from 13 to 16, sometimes even 20 years if need be. So this is a good start for us. It also tells us that girls are doing much more better if they are being pushed. So boys, please, you cannot lose to the girls. You have to do better. And with that, I would like to say thank you very much for coming. And also a big thank you to the HQ staff, the headquarters staff in pulling together all the resources. It has been 10 years. So a lot of work has been done. There have been almost 900 students who have received our award. We hope to see more coming with more A's, but actually in the near future, SPM, there's only 10 A's. So we will not have 16 A's, we will have 8, 9, 10 A's. I hope and I wish to see more of this, especially among our younger generations or the second generation of Kelantan leaders coming up. So thank you very much.